My people, for generations, we have carried wounds. The father wound, the betrayal wound, the pain of abandonment and injustice. These wounds have shaped us, and many of us have forgotten who we are. But what if the cure for our pain has been speaking to us for millennia? This is not just another scripture study. This is a Qadash intervention. To stop looking for healing and restoration in all the wrong places. We are YASHARAL. We are going back to the source, to the very words YAHUAH spoke through His Nabym, to perform surgery on the soul of YASHARAL. In this series, you will not just hear about the prophets, you will hear from them. With powerful truth, we are bringing their Turah messages to life. 1. You will stand with MASHAH in the wilderness as YAHUAH calls you His firstborn son. 2. You will feel the heartbreak and restoration of a broken covenant with Husha. 3. You will encounter the Qadash nature of YAHUAH and the promise of our suffering Mashyah through YASHAYAHU. 4. You will share in the lament and hope of YAHUAH, aka the weeping Nabi. 5. And you will witness YAHUAH's power to restore and bring life to dry bones and give a new heart to us in this generation through Yahaskal. This is our story. This is our healing. This is the Turah spoken directly to our wounds. Listen, O Yasharal. The voice of our YAHUAH is calling. Let us hear what he says.